Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will talk about how you can build a voice AI agent for a meat store, and this will be an halal meat store with all their menu and all of that. So this voice AI agent will take the orders and then add them or place them in a Google Sheet, which I have here orders, right? So you can just see Sam Altman just placed an order, and this was his phone number, and the order he placed was this. So pretty long order. Chickens, chicken legs, beef, then chicken keema, then beef cubes, and whatnot, right? So, and pickup, he will pick up today at 5 p.m. as he said, and the timestamp was this one. I guess this was a previous order, but I will just now do the call and keep the agent on speaker so that you can listen, and then we will see if the agent successfully placed my order or not. Okay, let's see.
Hello, I am Sarah from Khan Market. How can I help you today?
Hey, I want to place an order. Can you help me with that?
Of course. I'd be happy to help you place your order. Could you please tell me what items you'd like to order and if you have any specific preferences for cuts or types? Also, let me know when you'd like to pick up your order.
Yeah, I would just like 1 kilogram of baby goat.
Great choice. You'd like 1 kilogram of baby goat. Could you please let me know when you'd like to pick up your order? Also, do you have any
In 3 hours
preferences
maybe.
for the cut? Thank you. So you'd like to pick up 1 kilogram of baby goat in 3 hours. Just to confirm, do you have any specific preferences for the baby goat?
Nah, it's
Cut,
good.
type, or any special instructions? Thank you for confirming. To finalize your order, 1 kilogram of baby goat pickup time in 3 hours, around 6:15 a.m. today. Could you please provide your name for the order?
Yeah, my name is Sam Altman.
Your order for 1 kilogram of baby goat is confirmed for pickup in 3 hours,
Okay,
around
thank you. Bye
6:15
bye.
a.m. today.
So, I think it's just the pronunciation, and so Sam Orman is now my name. Uh, and the phone number, it didn't ask me, but it already knew what was the incoming phone number, so it logged it, and this is my Canadian phone number. And the order I did 1 kg baby goat today, and today is the Wednesday. And why it was saying like 6:15 a.m. because it's night there. I am, in Asia, Pakistan, so time is, upside down by 12 hours, I guess. So yeah, that was the agent, right? Now let's see how we can build it. And also the order number is very interesting. So you can see order 1 for 26, and today is 27 or 28, new date basically. And then also the order is 1. Now if I just place another order, it will be order number 2 for 28th January, right? So every new date the order number will reset, and how it is being done, I will tell you just now. Okay, so and we're using Retell for building this agent, but it can be any other platform. So you can build it on Go High Level native, voice AI. You can build it on Assistable. You can build it on Vapi. You can build it on Synthflow. You can build it on 11 Labs. All the platform are good. You just have to be, that much confident that you can do everything on that platform. And I am very much comfortable with the Retell, but I do build on LiveKit as well, which is open source. So feel free to do your own research. And also, if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to email, or maybe you can drop out a text on WhatsApp and we can build things together. Okay, let's see now how you can build this agent, maybe for your client or maybe for your own business. So just the prompt is really simple. You can even like ask AI to write it, but then getting it, working as you are expecting, that's the main challenge. And there you have to be specific about the tools and functions you want to provide your agent. So Sarah working with whatever the restaurant, or it's not the restaurant, it's like the store. So feel free to change this keyword, and all of this is available in the description. You can get like this snapshot. I will send you the JSON file from the description. There will be a link about it. And place order is the tool which this AI agent has access to, and it is calling that to place the order and log that in the Google Sheet. Now, how it is call handling flow: if they want to place an order, use place order to place the order, right? Now let's see the place order. So this is the webhook in my make.com which I'm using to take the order. And so it is getting the data. Then it is just if we ignore all of these three nodes, the end row is add a row. That's where the row is being created and the order is being placed. So name will be there, phone number will be there, order, pickup, timestamp, and then the order number logic. Now all of these three nodes are just for the order number logic. What I'm doing is searching for the rows for today's date. If it found rows, then I'm counting how many rows are there. That tells me the order number. Then I aggregate that so that it doesn't pass through. And whatever the, let's say three orders are there, so three will be now on this node. um, Total number of bundles, that means total number of orders. And I'm setting the variable order number, which will be whatever the total number of orders was previously. Now I am incrementing by 1. So I'm using like math operation here, and in make.com you can just go to here math functions and use these operators. And then I am using this to place the order, and that is like order and order number. So I guess that was it for this video. This is pretty much simple setup, but it is being used in a lot of places, and I was building it for someone, so I thought why not share it, and maybe it will be helpful for someone, or maybe someone will build on top of this, right? Who knows? So yeah, that was it for today's video. And also you can reach out to my school community. Reach out, uh yeah, so voice AI agent bootcamp, and here I basically can teach you how you can build and market and sell these agent as well. But yeah, you can join this group. It is a free group. So yeah, you can join this as well and post your all the doubts or anything in the school community. Thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.